From solving math equations to drawing angles and plotting graphs, Kami has the tools your students need to complete their math assignments for any grade level. Let's take this example from the point of view of a 4th grader, learning to measure and draw angles. The task is to draw the given angles and then label them accurately. They can use the Shapes tool and select Insert Line to start drawing the angle. As they click and drag, the angle of the line is shown along with dotted guidelines. They can hold the Shift key to create perfectly straight lines at 22.5-degree increments. Using the Drawing tool, they can label the angle. Students can even show their process using the Screen Capture Comment tool. This allows them to record both their screen and their voice, giving them the option to explain their thinking as they work. The video gets embedded right there in the document for you to watch and review. Next, let's take a look at a middle school geometry example. For this task, students must plot shapes on a graph, calculate coordinates, and perform transformations. They can start by using the markup tool to highlight important parts of the question, making it easy to refer back to when making calculations. Using the text box tool, they can show their work as they calculate new coordinates. Then, they can use the drawing tool to plot points on the graph and use Insert Line to connect the dots. Students can also change stroke thickness and choose from the color palette to keep their work organized. If they're using a touchscreen device with a stylus, the drawing tool is perfect for precise drawing, marking, and plotting. Now let's take a look at how students can use Kami tools to solve more complex equations. Here's an example of a high school algebra assignment requiring students to solve for x. Using Kami's equation tool, students can access over 60 different mathematical symbols. Just scroll through or use the search bar to find the symbol you need. Students can quickly write exponents, fractions, square roots, and much more. For multi-line equations, you can use the text box tool to insert equations using the formula feature. Math symbols are found here too. This way, each line of the equation is neatly kept within the same text box. Make sure to click the formula button for each new line of the equation. Use the rich text editor to change color, font, and size. If they need more space to work on, students can always add new pages to any document by scrolling to the bottom and clicking the plus button. They can even add grid paper. If you've assigned work to your students through a sharing link or an integrating learning management system, you'll be able to answer any questions that students leave on the document and give feedback in real time.